HTTP connector setup authorization. Here you can see a setup authorization in HTTP connector. To set up the authorization, follow these steps. One, register the client application on the authentication server. The authentication server assigns the client ID and the client secret to MuleApp. The app uses these credentials to identify itself to an authentication server. During the registration, provide URL to the MuleApp homepage and the application callback URL. Step 2, log in to GitHub. Step 3, register the application in your GitHub personal settings. Step 4, on the register new auth application auth application page, complete these fields: application name, auth grant code, homepage URL http://localhost:8082, authorization callback URL http://localhost:8082/callback. 5, click register application. GitHub creates a page for registered application on https://github.com/settings/applications app number that includes the GitHub assigned client ID and client secret. Here you can see a setup GitHub user. GitHub user is connected to GitHub auth server via register app. User data is in GitHub auth server, and here the GitHub auth server interacts with the GitHub user via return client ID and secrets. GitHub user is connected to Mule client via configure app. Listen and request are in Mule client. Step 4, Mule client is connected to GitHub user via listen request. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.